Tell us, how many casualties have you confirmed as of now?
For validation pa rin ito, ano? But we received reports that there are already 10 reported dead. 7 dito ay from Region 8 at mayroon 3 from Region 5. So yung sa Region 8, this is from Biliran. Basically, dahil sa flash flood ito and storm surge. Yung sa Masbate naman, sa Region 5, yung because of fallen tree, collapse wall, and drowning. And meron pa rin tayong for validation, 13 reported missing individuals, 10 sa Region 8, and 3 sa Mimaropa or sa Region 4B. Specifically from Puerto Princesa na hinahanap pa as of today, no, as we speak.
Which areas were the most affected by the typhoon?
As far as our assessment as of this evening, no, Masbate po. Masbate City ay pinaka-hardest hit so far kasi we've seen from reports and pictures na grabe ang epekto nito sa Masbate City, including the islands of Ticao and Burias. So doon po, kailangan po kaagad ng assistance doon in terms of restoring yung kanilang power lines, no? Kasi marami pong mga poles na natumba, kasama na rin yung mga maraming bahay na nasira na nakita natin per initial report. So doon pa rin, but we are not discounting na yung dinaanan ng mga isla, mga provinces ng Romblon, Mindoro, and yung Marinduque ay pwede ring magkaroon ng substantial damage. So but for now, Masbate pa rin po ang nakikita nating hardest hit.